All right, so now let's look at question 3 from the Unit 1 test. What is the main theme of this passage? All right, so the first thing I need to do is make sure I remember what theme is. And we've talked about theme. Theme is the lesson or the message of the story. And to figure out theme, you have to think about all the events. Specifically, you have to think about what the character wants and the obstacles that are standing in their way and how they try to overcome those obstacles. And then finally, you think about the resolution of the story. How did it turn out? Was it a happy ending? Did the character get what they want? Or was it an unhappy ending? So I'm, again, going to go through each answer choice and use logic and reasoning and think back to the evidence in the story. Facing hardship makes people stronger. Okay. Did Alice face hardship in the story? Well, yeah, she had some problems, obstacles in her way. She wanted to go out into the garden, and she couldn't. She tried to solve the problem. Did it make her stronger, though? Is she a better person at the end of the story because of the difficulties she faced? And maybe, but is there any evidence to show that Alice has learned the lesson and become a stronger, better person? Well, not by the end of the passage, especially because the passage is only an excerpt, and so we don't really see the very, very end of Alice's story. I don't really see any evidence that she has become stronger, and so this would not be an appropriate theme for this story. Actions speak louder than words. Okay, so this would be a theme that would match a story where the character is always saying what a great person they are, and they're so wonderful, but they actually do the opposite. And you would learn that lesson then, that you have to judge somebody based on the things they do, not just what they say. Does Alice say one thing and then mean something else? Is there any verbal irony in the story? No. And so this would not be a theme that would be appropriate for the story. It does not match any of the story events. Facing the unknown can be frightening. Did Alice face the unknown? Yeah. Was she frightened? That's a good question. That's going to be something where this could be an answer choice. And so I'm going to have to look back in the story and see if this is the best main theme. That's key also. Remember, stories can have more than one theme. You're looking for the overall theme that matches all of the story events, not just one part. Actions may have serious consequences. Okay. Did Alice's actions have serious consequences? Yeah, they kind of did, right? Because she drank potions and ate food that made her grow and shrink. She forgot the key. Her action had a very serious consequence because she forgot the key. She had more trouble because of it. So this also could be the theme. I now need to ask myself, which one of these is the main theme? Overall, I definitely learned this lesson from the story. And then once again in part B, I'm going to look for the evidence that best proves the theme. So I'm either looking for evidence that shows that facing the unknown can be frightening, or evidence that shows actions can have serious consequences. Which one of these is the best theme, and then which evidence best supports it?